The birds carried Anu far beyond the lands he knew, until they reached a shimmering island floating high in the clouds. The air was warm, scented with flowers that glowed in the sunlight. At the center of the island stood a crystal fountain, its water flowing upward into the sky. As Anu approached, the eldest bird landed beside him. "Guardian! This is the sky fountain," it said. "It connects all magical worlds. But its power is fading. Someone is stealing the water." Before Anu could reply, a sharp, metallic screech echoed through the air. From behind the fountain emerged a giant mechanical eagle, its eyes glowing red. It spread its metal wings and hissed, "The water belongs to my master now." The golden key around Anu's neck pulsed urgently, and he realized the eagle's gears were rusted. It was powerful, but slow. Thinking quickly, Anu lured the creature into chasing him around the island, dodging between glowing trees until the eagle's wings snagged in the branches. Seizing the moment, Anu used the silver feather to summon a gust of wind so strong it knocked the eagle into the clouds below. The fountain's glow returned, and its waters began to sparkle again. The birds circled above in celebration, but the eldest one looked at Anu gravely. "Your journey is far from over. Whoever sent that eagle will come for the key." Anu took a deep breath, ready for whatever was next.